وبركاته. Welcome, brothers and sisters, to my channel Faisal Azib. I hope that you are well, from Alhamdulillah, fine. In this video, I will explain, inshallah, how to use condition in Java programming language. Okay, so let's start. So I will create another class. Tech. No, class. I will choose something here. Top. Here, oops, condition example. So what is condition? How to use a condition? Condition is more useful instruction that you or statement that you will use in each program that you will develop in Android or Java or any other programming language. For example, it will use to compare, for example, two variables or other any conditions. And to make the condition in Java, you will use the keyword if. For example, if you want to compare the age, my age with your age. For example, my age is 38 and your age is 30. I want to compare if 38 is higher than 30. Yes, you tell me yes, it's true. No, I know it's true. But if you want to compare it in Java, you use like this. If, open parentheses, and you put the number 38 and the operator higher. After this, the number 30, and I open my curly brackets. And I close curly brackets. And here, if that's the case, this condition is returned true, it's correct. And for example, I display a message dot println, oops, println 38 is higher than 30. Okay, you can see this. Let's save the file and start. As you can see, the condition is respected. Now I can use a variable to make the if statement or the condition. It's more useful, of course. If you put only the constant in the program, we will not finish. So here I will choose a variable, for example, age. Here we use 38. And here I will replace the number by the name of the variable. Okay? And if it's respected, I enter here and I display the message. If it is not respected, I don't display the message. As you can see, it is respected. But if I change the age to 20, for example, and I make start, I don't have nothing because the condition isn't respected. Okay? What we can see also, we can also add another variable, age to what you want. Now, if the condition isn't respected, I can display another message. How to display this message? I make it by adding the keyword else. Okay? If the condition isn't respected, I come here in the else placement. So here I will display another message. Oops. Isn't higher than or the age, more generally, is less than 30, and here the age is higher than 30. Let's go. As you can see, I have the second message. It's very easy to understand the statement. It is not complicated. You choose your first condition. If it is not respected, you go to the else statement, the else statement. You can unbreak another if after the else. For example, if age is under less than 18, I make here is less than 18. Else, if I make another condition, if age is less than 35, then I continue. Less than 35, 35. Else of this if, not of this if. The else is for this if, and the next else, it means the age is higher than 35. Is higher. So let's see the result. Compilation error. What I have forgot? So good. It should end of file while parsing. Okay, line 16. Okay, tick. I have forgot to close the main method, of course. So continue. Let's continue. Let's run. And as you can see here, the age is 20, and I have displayed this message. Sorry, the age is less than 38 because it is higher than 18. Then I don't enter here, and I will jump to the else, and I have another condition. I can continue until what I want. It depends on my program. So here the age is less than 35, then the condition is respected. Then I display this message, and I don't go here because this condition is respected. Okay, that's if else. Now I will give you a simple challenge. What is the challenge? You create an array with only 2 elements. Only 2. I don't give you 10 elements. Only 2 elements. And compare which element is higher than others. It's very simple. Okay? I'll give you, let's go on here. 20 seconds. Not 1 minute, 20 seconds. It's very quick. Huh? Let's go. Bismillah. I am waiting. I don't see movie, I don't see anything. I don't like this. So, هيا بنا, هيا. مازال. I am waiting. Ta-da! Selena, let's go. How to make it? You can see it's very easy. So, I will declare a variable of array int oops numbers. I will choose only 2 numbers. So here 5 and 3. Okay, and which one is higher than others? I just compare if numbers dot 0 is higher than numbers dot 1 not dot not dot. So I will display a message and I will close this. I will display system.out.println. Here the first element is higher than the second. وشنو هذا the second. Else the second or is less. Put what you want. What you want. The second element is higher than the first. So let's see. So I will remove this, and now, as you can see, the first element is higher than the second. If I choose 10 here, for example, the second element is higher than the first. It's very easy, as you can see. You can see my code in the description of the video. I will share it with you. Don't worry about this, but play with if-else with another type of variable. For example, you can play with double, with a string. The string is not the same, but search, you can find the solution. Okay, so save. Okay, it's okay for me for this video. In next video, inshallah, I will explain you how to use the loops in Java, inshallah. Thank you, a lot of brothers and sisters. Like this video and share it with your friends. And if it's the first one, subscribe to my channels and click in the bell buttons. Don't forget to receive update of new video in your mailbox. So see you in the next video, inshallah. I know it's a very long video, but I don't have the choice. I don't have the choice because I must talk about a lot of things. I can't let some things and talk about another things. I must give you a lot of things to understand the maximum of the concept of any subject that we talk or any chapter that we talk in the current video. That's very important. I hope that you understand this concept, and see you for tomorrow or next week, inshallah. Goodbye. Assalamu alaikum wa barakatuh.